Cherry laurel is an invasive species. It chokes woodlands completely. The woodlands can't function in the way that they normally would if we don't remove cherry laurel, and it shouldn't be here in the first place. So we removed, say, an acre of very severely infested cherry laurel. We were left with maybe 10 trees in that whole acre. It's a really shade-tolerant species, and what it does is it grows really densely and it creates these pockets of complete shade. It means our beautiful woodland flora that's on the ground can't regenerate, and it also means our lovely native trees can't regenerate either. You're left with a woodland that is effectively dying on its feet.
Today we are planting the saplings that we have grown in our nursery from the seeds myself and Finian collected at Ashford Castle last October. Ireland is a very hostile place for any young saplings, so they really do need our help. The genetic character of trees always follows rivers. It's ideally you want to be growing trees within that system. Basically, we're trying to preserve the local genetic character of these temperate woodlands in the west of Ireland. We're just trying to mimic natural regeneration as best as we can. The best way to do that is to collect seeds locally and then judiciously plant them where natural regen isn't possible.
Great to see so many people here of a Tuesday evening to learn all about woodlands, so it's mighty. My name is Marina Conway and I'm the Head of Woodlands and Land Partnerships with Hometree. This is a joint project between Ashford Castle and Hometree where we're working together to do a whole lot of community engagement around woodlands in the area. We're also working with Ashford Castle to help them in their restoration works for their woodland. Cong is really lucky, it's completely surrounded by woodland, and it's surrounded by old woodland, real mixed woodlands. Like, we had about 50 people in there tonight who are all passionate about woodland creation, and they all have different interests in woodlands. So there's going to be ideas and conversations sparked between everybody. So yeah, community is coming together as people, it's really important.
See that little island in the middle of the water? And look at the forest that's there. So that's what the whole of Ireland would have looked like once upon a time.
But native trees, there's only like 1% of them left.
Well, children are our future. If we don't have children understanding about nature, children understanding about trees and woodlands, children understanding about land, then what kind of a future do we have?
Who wants to plant a tree up on the hill up here? Hands up.
So we really need to get our children out into the forest, let them get dirty, let them play, let them understand. Because, you know, we're nourishing that in the next generation. And that's the most important thing about having our children on this journey with us. In the Cong area, success for me would look that people have a lot more awareness about the potential for native woodlands in this area, a lot more awareness about how important it is to have all these different pockets of nature connected. And yeah, at the essence, again, what Hometree always wants and values, and the estate does as well, is that we'll have nature connected communities.